Kiddies! It's Valentine's Day. Let's learn about love and kindness. Are you ready? Let's go! Valentine's Day is a special day. We share our love in a happy way. We say I love you, yes we do. We give big hugs for me and you. Love is kind, love is sweet, helping everyone we meet. Smiling faces everywhere, showing people that we care. Love, love, love today. Kind words is what we say. Share a smile, share a hug. That's the Valentine way. Love, love, love today. Be kind in every way. Happy hearts and happy friends. It's Valentine's Day. I love my mommy,
I love you,
yes I
Mommy.
do. I love my daddy, I love you too. I love my teacher at my school. She helps me learn and play so cool. I love my friends, we laugh and play. We share our toys every day. Sharing is love, helping is love. Kindness shines from up above. When we are kind, we feel so glad. When we are mean, we feel so sad. So we choose love every day. We help our friends along the way. Love, love, love today. Let's spread kindness every way. Red hearts, pink hearts, big and small. Valentine love is for us all. Love, love, love today. Let's spread kindness every way. Red hearts, pink hearts, big and small. Valentine love is for us all. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day. We love you from JAZ Kiddies.